Sa sisien pat ngi ai kuble ye fi barwa pidang pe ye ka khubor ka jong Mawphor. Habangin ya cha prang bat ka khubor hagani ka por tugin ye pe ye ki mat ke bokongsan jong ka khubor kumne. Saha Shiliang Mentang Secondary School Samtiar ka IRCS West Giant Hills Unit Jowai. Arngut ki kena ki layap bat ingkong ha ke jingjia plu yeng halum perdi o molong West Giant Hills District. Jur ka jing the kendeu shaki bynta ka wa mentudu wer ka KYM ya ka shinong ban mi bat yada ya ka wa. Daki klur mang pisa ka sorkar ban kentiew ya ki self-help group haman laki CNR di block bat ki shinong. La adu ka Sumer SC bat umtli secondary school haka football ka ra jingshai SS and CC. Ki samla puli ka Shiliang Mentang Secondary School Laskin Block meta ka sngi arho trik unai weng arja apwe ki layo jingi rap da ki tiar na ki Indian Red Cross Society West Giant Hills Unit. Haka jingi lang jong ka jing sam yaki ni ki tiar lai don lang ru da ki khot ka school managing committee bagan tup ya u Dr. H talang but u penhun jai talang. Uhan paya nongplo life member ka Indian Red Cross Society kum usong kunor jong ka ni ka jingalang ula ay ki kintin lamprang ha ka jinga day bat ka thong jong ka ni ka program distribution of humanitarian aids ki wede ki balakren ha ka ni ka jingalang kilong ka kong arki lamare head teacher Shiliang Mentang Secondary School bat ru layo kerpang ya ka jingkren jing batai shapang ka Indian Red Cross Society now ma ohiwat lalu secretary Indian Red Cross Society West Giant Hills Unit. Ki khot ka Managing Committee Shiliang Mentang Secondary School. Kila panpaw ke jing songo ya ki board punya ke Indian Red Cross Society West Giant Hills Unit. Kita kit bokru baka sengkan nang ya cheprang ha ka jing shekri ya ki imlang salang jong kinong shong shinong.
Okay, itu gua dijak kiu pediang ki yang in. Kami tahu gitu ya bangket katu kejam. Banyak aja lah. Dah sesor. Kaji lah. Kata tempat keji man yang iman kau sebai nong. Kita terima. Tadi bahag itu ya bangket mau siap sengibi. Tak kemen bi daftar rekod bahari biar mah. Jangan duit teh. Belah sibon ya caman ni aku ingin habis puan ada. Nang ya lutiu belai. Mah kau ku kedok bi ke sen yang i nang iu. Lai cakap nak kena kijing lek kau bahar yang i.
Entah kau kamon ya ke Red Cross de China depan man. Tak lembah usaha Henry Donan unong Swiss. Tak Red Cross di UP kan ipat kasai Red Cross. UP na din yung ile to igi volunteer silka Red Cross. Uni cross penyu wato waburom ki yau tau buru wato unong Switzerland Swiss.
Menta ka singi ublay ha ka poshi baje no pai singi kaldon kawai ka jingjia basngausi ha ka ba arngut ki khina ke layap bat ingkong na ka daw ko jingplo jong kawai ka yeng halum perdi umulong West Giant Hill District. Ki pulit penlibding hadin balayo jingtip marmar ki lalit sikiti ki jaka bala plu ka yeng bat lalap ya kiti ki arngut ki khina balayap syabam ding ki blagun thup ya way ubadang sausnem bat ya way ubadang arsnem. Kipat ba nong shong shnong haba kila yo i ketika jingjia kila persyang ban lej a jingya rap Henry namar ka jingklang palat ka ding kala yo ban bam do ye ka yeng bat ye kitegi kena ki bandan hapo yeng ye ka met jong kitegi kenarin lali ira asha SDM and HO Jowai Civil Hospital yalong na ka banta ban le ya ka badon kam. Kawai ni kikin hon tremon soba kabalami pathe na do ubnai ke lalangkot araja apuwe da ka jingtmu ban ai ka jingeda ya ka talawer jang kwa mentudu kanong bisa umbam ya ka sor jowai kalapan pawe ka jing saudiaw ban yo i da laki jong ki khaman halor ka jing peteng ka rukom the khando pathar shaki bynta ka wa na ka jing pentre bat penhe ya ka surok National Highway Mawphor jowai amlarem dauki. Yakani ke surok la pentre dak MS Dahar Construction Company kabadi try da uma ngai lang dahar kum u contractor nado balas dang jing pentre yakani ke surok kaladon ke jing the khendo pathar bat na kaliang jong ke kunhun ka khuj ya ka wa mentudu KYM hapo ka jinglam khamat jong u chairman u makro el parian ki lalik ben u jo sha u kle du ka district jong ka West Giant Hills Uma Garut LSN Daik IAS. Hadin ke jing ujor kaladon ke jing let jurip hapdeng ki nong yelam jong ke KYM harangkat u kontraktor ki officer na katanat PWD bat na ki bor peniat district. Hakani ke jing let jurip kaladon ke jing kular ke bami na u kontraktor bakin persang kat bala banom bret pathar syu ya ke kendau syaki benta jong ke wa mentudu. Henry na ke liang jong ke kenhun KYM menta kasngi sa jan kalalit jurip dalade but you eat like jong ki khamat ha ka ba la lam bakini ke jingbet khandau kanang ye biteng hadu menta ha ki benta ke badon hajan damsir ke jing the khandau ka long ka bajur pha ban ka bala jan tablut ye kilenti baju ya ka wa da ke jing panha pathar ye ki mau ke bahe bat ru ye ke khandau hakani ke jing lek jurip umakro el periat ulapan sngau katkum ke report balayo na katanat umdi jong ka EEPHE Joy Division baku umbam ke basam syekipat ba kamlong syu ke bakhuj namar ke jingjabo jungke kendo bat ladon ki por balhaban pensange ke jingsam umbam syekipat ba nong shong shnong shushu ulapan sngau baka kenhon hi baro ke wei ke dap de ke jingso lengo halo ke jingbam trekam jungke kendon section 144 CRPC balapan mi da UDC ka West Giant Hill District namar hadu menta ka jing khashiam ka jing ti mau ka jing sa jan bat ka jing brat khandau haki benta ka wa kalaya be klam don kono ka jing pen sange kani ka jing the khandau jong u contractor lang ba ka office PWD Road Central Division uma pariat uong bakani kala ban pendu pendam no ya ka wa mentudu ulapan sngau wat na kaliang UDC bat kumjuru na ka muda bat ka water resources ki klempet shu ya kani ka jingwan len shop jong ka klam hakini ki sngi ki banwan kani ka rukom pen julor ya kawa kala penyap ru ya ki long breu man breu namar ka dei tang ka ka bala ban ai jing im lati knaru bah kani ka portlang kan sedon ka jing ka du ka bajur ong uma pariat ulay tho bawat na kaliang ka sarkar ru kala kentu ya ki nong shong shnong kari bakin ya le kat bala ban ai jing ya da ya ka mei mariang khnang ban biang ka umbam umdi ban kani ka kedeu shai baki bor sarkar kimyo issue ya kani ke jing jong ki pai ba ha ka bapen kut uma pariat ukhot lang ye ki pai ba nong shong shnong ka sor juai bot kumju ye ki wei ki banajan bakin yeng ye tli lang ka wei ban pesha jur ye ka jing pen julor ye ka wa mentudu namar ka sarkar menta kala ya lai bat kam don jingkit kle issue ya ka yap ka im jong upai ba da ka bau ong pi hun mo ban sha ye ki ni ki jing na ka banta ka lawe ki khon ki kti namar kat kum ki kam jong ka sarkar la yo I bo om don jing shan ya shu ya ka
kam de yo ye di gar kom long ye ha ga di ga mentru ka jing na pathar ka jing le smon ye ni ga wa terbiar yang ta de yo do ka ni te nei liang nga ka su kon tu ai di man dai le yo em lang di chru I yo ye le stam ga la am na de yo ne liang di bor sarkar de le ki pa ye em lang chru I da ka tu ko tu di man dai le dai lang yo em lang di I ha ka ni ga sanyong I yo ye no I pendep ye ni beroi ba te dia I do ka ni tham tam go mba mundi to em kan I beroi nong nong apo ka di ga sor tu ba sedop yo yo I tam ong sin si to mba mundi tam ong sin chai kia lam yo I le yo I go mba mundi go biang chai kia la yo I beroi sedop yang I go cham ha ka ni ga ko sor tu ba
kani to ka jing siao si ko khro tam go chemin ne kham tam contractor yang kani udhar construction company umangai lang dahar da kalam ho kini gi da da kular wong wi mo mo de hak mentadu nrai daman watan kan kular nei liang ga office of chief engineer pa kani ga surok la yang ka prodi jwa central la ka proceeding yang ki ka yakalam le mchim action ta ka to ka wi sagawi wan go do ong te wa to wa ta tanya pe mandur long bro ha perthai I go ha ko pan im kani I kini ki banai talang ki banai waban ka perhau ka jindo da wan ka haywan im ni sakatu na ka perhau ro ka wi da ha kini ki singi yoi kinong yelam yang gari ki perhau ki penek ka maram ka bairam au ka mariang yo biang go umbam umdi ideng ki perhau I heni hujuai ka mun kan ka haywan em ka sarkar ka tu pa I heni ka dur mem sarkar de tanai ti daw I nei liang yong in ne khoi ka man tadu dei basnyau khian I men sem kan tu kan pha mi wara kinong chong chnong yong ka talwi yong ka mentadu ton sia bha yen tli ye ranti to kan ni ka kam na dam yen ta sia po I che di umbam kal air kan kenda ko chiap ni kajing ma de em kan yo chngan ka man burlong buru yong i bara ini liang ko khot wa betrun ni kan tu ye bara kinong chong chnong nadam jeng da yum le kinong chong chnong ka sarkar da chna da yat ko yat do ka lo ro ka tu ka te to ko wa perkhat yong i dei mit se musau si sao dio ela di ka to ka pajba o bichar o chem ye ka rai yu le the lor ka tu uchnga ni mit statement ka wi na ma ukut na i song serang na i ka tu ka te dan hi ni liang ka sarkar am jing chane adi halor ka ni at kam ki kam ki ka
habakren komu kongsan hak SSG mela ha omyam kwan u metri rangba ka jala u konrat ke sangma menta kesngi ulaong bak sarkar menta kadang bu thong ban kintiwi ke SSG haman la ke CNR di block bat kishnong bat nakaliang ka sarkar kala pen kre da ki klor kapisa banwan ra ki jingkla bat ki jingkershan ya ki self help group haman la kishnong habaya nujor bat kini ki laisnem la sakhi bada ki phosha ki self help group ki la keu ha ka jilla bada ki shnong ba pher bat ru ki la yo jingrap na ka sarkar ngidan kam banwan ra e ki jingkla bat jingkershan nadu tan rai da ka bapoi shaman la ki thliu yeng bat deileng ba ka jingthaw ya ki self help group babaro ki jing angnot jong ka sarkar ban kin tiu ya ki long kime haman la ki shnong kala urlong bat haba yunu jor tang ha sning na kshis pa khnai photli ki knhon manta ki la poi shadu 6000 nyau santli ong ukonrat sangma da ka ba banram bana kaliang ka sarkar ka khmi lenti ba hakini ki snem banwan kindang bon shushu ki knhon ki ban panrung ka tengel de na ka ban ban yo jing mentoy na ka sarkar halo ki scheme ba pher ka bolong ru kum ka jing play lat ya ki long ki me ban kieu haki ba bon ki liang yakani ke self help group mila lapanlong high union christian college umyam kwan bat laiwan man shimmenta da ki babon tli ki self help group na umsning cnrd block hakani ke sngi laidon langru dr wr khaluki mp ka raja sabha kum usambut kongsan ki wepat ki he sarkar balaidon lang ki kintup yo ba anda sakhet bha lamare mentri ka transport ka jilla ubadi u mla ka mawhati uba jason saukme maulong mla ka umsning ikong Magdalene Saukme Maulong, MDC ko umsning, kong RM Kurba, Deputy Commissioner ka Riboy District, Raja Brahma, BDO ko umsning CNRD Block, bat ki ki officer, bat ki ripokman. Hagate gesngi la samru ye ke kusnam sha ki self help group baper bat ki VO kumjo ru ka kusnam bakarpang bandang kentiu shushu ye ki self help group haman le ki shnong ban kentiu ye ka yo ka kon dalot shibon ki kam bakum ki long ki me lamba ki kenhon ki le tray ha ki shnong ki thao lapan shongkun shushu hagate gesngi lamba ka jirwa ba ka jisha tan rai ne ki samla pule jonga Union Christian College ke balapan inam ye ga jisha tan rai jonga jai ben re baper ka than chate lamingi harangkat ki dukan bat ki jingpen inam ki tiar baper blashna bat pen I da ki self help group na ki shnong baper
To thank UCC for allowing the MDMA and the NRLM to host this particular program here, and would like to also thank the students of UCC for the wonderful cultural presentation of the entire Northeast that was shown today. Having said that, I only have 3 points that I would like to make. The first point is regarding the importance of the self-help groups. When we came into the government, we were very clear in our mindset and in our goal that we need to impact and we need to affect and we need to support the grassroots system. And we strongly felt that the only way to do that was to create an institution at the grassroots level, where we will be able to reach out to every household in the state. And then we realized that there were schemes of Government of India and the state schemes, and we could do this particular objective or achieve this objective by forming self-help groups. Self-help groups are not just livelihood programs for the women group that have been formed, but they are institutional systems and networks. Today, we have lakhs of members from different households who are part of the NRLM movement and who are part of the self-help movement. And tomorrow, the same institutional setup can then be used for multiple government programs. And that is the reason why we have focused on the self-help movement. I would like to tell you that the self-help group movement has really been one of the key successes of this government. I repeat, this has been one of the key success programs and successes of this particular government. From a mere 6,000 groups, we are today at 36,000 groups. We, from a mere 200 village organizations when we started, we are today at 2,500 village organizations. From a mere 10 crores which was given to different community investment funds, we have reached 110 crores, from 10 crores to 110 crores as we speak. In Unsling alone, we had only 24 lakhs that we were given to self-help groups. From 24 lakhs in the last 3 years, we have come to almost 5 crores. In terms of the self-help groups that have been formed within the Muslim bloc, from 190 groups, today we have 1,075 groups in Muslim. From a mere 2 crores of loans that were given to different self-help groups, today we have distributed 90 crores of loans to different self-help groups. From a mere 319 groups who had got loan, today more than 8,730 groups have received loan. This kind of success that they've achieved in the self-help group movement, where more than 3.5 lakh women today are getting benefits because of the schemes that they're doing, the programs they're implementing, is really something that we should all be thankful to the team and the organizers who have worked day and night to achieve this target. And our target will be that there should be one member from every family who should be part of the self-help group. We expect to touch 42,000 self-help groups in the next 1 year. From, as I said, from a year, 6,000 groups will be took over. So therefore, the self-help group movement has come a long, long way. Today, under Muslim bloc, we will be distributing 1 crore and 6,000 rupees to different groups. About 181 self-help groups will receive 1 crore from the NRLM project. Under the Umling bloc, 78 lakhs will be distributed to 135 self-help groups just today itself, which means close to about 2 crores is going to be distributed to more than 300 groups, self-help groups that have been formed in the last few months. At the same time, my third point is regarding the focus program. Now, this focus program also is a program which focuses on the grassroots level. There are more than 4.5 lakh families that depend on agriculture in our state. There is no particular scheme of the state government that gives direct benefit and help to these farmers. COVID was a very difficult time for the farmers and for everybody. And therefore the government felt that we need to give some financial support to different farmers. And hence we started this program called Focus. The objective of this program is to form religious groups. Give each group based on the members. So if you have 10 members, 5,000 rupees per group means 50,000 rupees to be given to the group. If you have 20 members, then 1 lakh rupees will be given to the group. So like that, we plan to touch 4.5 lakh families who are dependent on agriculture. And the budget for this is about 200 crores. And we strongly feel that this is a very, very small amount to be given to the marginalized and the farmers and all the producer groups who are facing great difficulty. We have already touched more than 3,000-4,000 groups have benefited from this. I've been having this program throughout the state, and today, while we do this jylla, we will also be distributing the checks for the focus program. And the idea is very simple. Once this money is given to these groups, sometimes the farmers don't even have enough money to buy seeds on time. Sometimes they don't even have enough money to buy a plastic pipe, or a rubber pipe, or they don't even have enough money to transport their product from their farms to the market. This seed money or this small working capital, which will be in the group's account, can then be used to buy the seeds at the right time, or the tarpaulin to cover their produce, or to be able to make a small shed to store their produce, or even use this money to transport their products from their farms to their markets. So this is what this program is. We hope to cover all the 4.5 lakh families which are dependent on agriculture through this focus program. And today, under the Instinct block, we will be distributing 32 lakhs to 649 farmer families, about 40 groups. And in Umling block, under Umling block, we will be distributing 16.5 lakhs to 330 farmer families, close to 16 farmer producer groups will be benefited today. So friends, this is what this whole program
हमारा हकनी प्रयोग किया हकनी प्राय किया खाना खाए हम अनविश्वास अलायो बने की बुलाने के एसोसिएशन में आयो बने बिना सभी आयो बने बिना सभी kalau ke एक का सूचना हवा ना लगी कि गिलों के बुलाने के ग्रुप एसोसिएशन को वीडियो नहीं गिलों को तक पकड़ाओ है भी प्राप्त उन्हीं का ये लगी तो कितनी हुई लगी कभी कितनी हो बलों का नहीं किसान लगी dia join di grup di bawah nama pertama macam hamsa sudah kabar tiga. Maka juga akan kembali ke sini. Pada kalau lebih dulu. Jika lepas kami keserta grup dengan view kepada mereka untuk dalam peserta sebelumnya dapat mesti dengan penlawan berbagai di pada training dan training ini. Pengalai ini example kalau lagi kabar pada dia dapat kontrol Maria protection lagi kita bilang itu pemikiran lelah timbul bermasalah. Hati lo kilo kita lebih kuat begini bertrai kita. Masuk dalam komunikasi grup ada tentang interaction ada tentang exposure. Kata tadi ini setelah saya harus bilang begini benar-benar. Tidak ada grup via interaksi weekly, via nama televisi, apa ada yang kita tahu TV. Via yang mana? Tidak ini pasal komunikasi berada. Tidak ada nampak sekitar ini kebetulan diri. Dia alam kita berseluruh, kita sempat masuk di bawah bersama pilihan bilang dia. Kalau kita itu berseteran, ini sedang keluar dulu. Yang community keluar dulu dan sudah tahu berbagai. Ini kita hidup sama lagi bagi hati ini. Dan belajar. Banyak bagi yang dia harus yang lagi train dan berkembang. Kalau tahu lebih kuat, lebih kali berdoa depan ada sebelah ini. Kalau lagi longgar, kita terus tahu di sesuatu. Kita mulai berbaik untuk lagi kaji bersama dengan kita tahu berbaik. Terus sesuatu untuk keleran. Dia benar kata musim Malaysia, musim Malaysia. Nama orang lagi kita punya berbaik sesuatu untuk kita tahu.
Kasumer hakaliang kisenrang, berkaumtli school kikantai. Kila long kila adu aka football tournament belapaniai Rajing Shai Sports Social and Cultural Club. Kasumer kalalong kila adu adin bakal pelimno da saul wikol ya kalumo siang haka jinga kun final haka sinsajan hamada nilekai juga lumo siang nong pathau. Kadba ka school kala penlim ya ka Rajing Shai Sports Club. Kasumer kabalong kila adu kala kure kasong pisa bandru po hajar kalumo siang kebawan baar kayo saw po hajar. Ka school kayo kur saw po hajar Karba Rajing Shai at Pawajar tingkah. Hagan ni gajing kun final lawan bansaki doba Samuel Hasya kirerong ba katanding ye kinong kitkam Rajing Shai bat kipay ba nong karsyan. Hagan ni kalempung momtaus nem lawan banashimenta dakat henru teli kitim hakliang kisenrang bat prateli kitim hakliang kikantay.
Kumco ngila poisha ka bakut jong ka khubor sa chisen pan kublai shibon ni fibaro tar haduk begini shembiang kublai shibon